Hi, and welcome back to Basement Backgammon. On this episode, we're going to be looking at Bill Robertie's 501 Problems, problem number 10. But before we go into that, let me talk about this board. This board was created by a Brazilian maker called Casa de Gamão, which I believe in Portuguese means House of Backgammon. I used to think it meant House of Games because Gamão, games, seems pretty obvious, but somebody informed me on my other video that no, it actually means backgammon. So House of Backgammon from Brazil. They make really fine quality boards at a fairly reasonable price considering the quality. You get a lot of money, bang for your buck there. Definitely recommended. This board has a velvet field, green and white points, green and white checkers. Comes with a leather case. It's a real leather wrapped case, real leather wrapped cups, and a scoreboard. I actually added these cubes for the case, these crystalloid cubes for chouettes, and just definitely recommend it. It also has a wrapped bar, which some people are iffy about whether or not there should be a wrapping over the bar. In this case, this Casa de Gamão put a wrapping. You can see the hinges sticking up a little bit, but otherwise the bar is very flat and the wrapping is very good. So definitely recommend it. So let's talk about this problem. We're being asked to play a 5-2 after our opponent has played an opening 5-1. So Greens rolled a 5-1. They played 13-8, 24-23. Now how do we play a 5-2? I'm going to give you guys 10 seconds to think about it. If you need more time, just pause the video, and we'll be back in 10 seconds starting now. All right, we're back. So the answer for this, what Robertie tells us to do, is play 13-8, 24-22. Let's explain why. First, let's read what Robertie has to say about it. Let me put that back. So I'm going to read what Robertie said about problem 10. On the opening roll, it's a toss-up whether 5-2 should be played 13-8, 13-11, or 13-8, 24-22. But once your opponent has split his backmen, the choice is clear. A blot on the 11 point is now subject to 6 hits, 6-4, 6-3, or 5-4, rather than just 2 hits of 6-4. That's more risk than necessary, so black should just play 13-8, 24-22. Okay, what does that mean? Well, that means that once black splits here, their outfield coverage is much more effective. They get many more numbers, not many more numbers, but more numbers to hit. So even though this 13-8 and 13-11 would be a good play if green didn't split their checkers, since they did split their checkers, now instead of just one number combination to hit, you actually have 2 number combinations to hit, 3 number combinations total. So your risk goes up from 2 out of 36 to 6 out of 36, a significant difference. So rather than risk this checker being hit, we can just play it safe and split the back checkers, and give green also a problem with the outfield. So we're going to go to XG and see what XG has to say about it, and we'll be right back with that video. And we're back with XG's analysis. Black is being asked to play 5-2 after white has played an opening 5-1 by playing 13-8 and splitting 24-23. And let's click on Analyze and see what XG has to say about it. And XG agrees with Robertie. We need to play 13-8, 24-22, splitting the back checkers because doing anything else with the 2, for instance 13-11, leaves the checker a little bit more vulnerable than we need to be. We don't need to take that risk. So XG agrees. I've done this with every variation of match play as well. This is currently on set to unlimited or cash play. I've done every variation of match play and it matches the same. So XG agrees with Robertie for all the reasons we discussed. Please like and subscribe for more videos. You'll get notified every time I upload a new video. I got plenty more content coming. Thanks for watching.